If your car makes a clicking sound when you try to start it, it is usually a sign that something in the starting system is not working properly. Understanding the root cause can help you fix the issue quickly and get your car running smoothly again. The first and most common cause of a clicking sound when starting your car is a dead or weak battery. Grab a multimeter and check the battery voltage. To do this, connect the multimeter's red probe to the battery's positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal. If the reading is low, it means the battery is not supplying enough power to turn the engine over. To fix this problem, replace the weak battery with a new one that meets your vehicle's specifications. A fresh battery will deliver the proper voltage and restore full starting power. Once installed, your engine should crank smoothly, without any clicking sounds. If the battery voltage is normal, then the clicking sound is not caused by a dead battery. This means the problem likely comes from another component in the starting system. A corroded battery terminal is another common reason your car might make a clicking sound when you try to start it. When corrosion builds up on the terminals, it creates resistance in the electrical connection, preventing enough power from reaching the starter motor, even if the battery itself is fully charged. To fix this, clean the terminals thoroughly using a battery terminal cleaner and a wire brush. The terminal cleaner loosens all of the corrosion buildup within minutes. Restoring a clean, solid connection often resolves the clicking issue immediately and improves the vehicle's overall electrical performance. A faulty starter is another common cause of a clicking sound when starting your car. If the starter fails to deliver enough current, it can produce a rapid clicking noise as the engine struggles to turn over. Swapping the starter with a properly functioning one can often solve the problem. But make sure the replacement starter matches your car's specifications. Use appropriate tools, such as a wrench or pliers, to safely remove and install the starter. After installation, start your car to ensure it runs smoothly and the clicking noise is gone. Finally, to check your alternator output, first set your multimeter to DC voltage and connect the red probe to the positive battery terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal. With the engine off, check the battery voltage. It should read around 12.4 to 12.7 volts. Then start the car and measure the voltage again. A properly functioning alternator should produce between 13.8 and 14.8 volts. If the voltage is low, the problem is likely with the alternator. By following these steps, you will identify and fix the cause of the clicking noise, ensuring your car starts reliably every time.